4 of the people who died were from the Life Care Center. Colleen Mallory is worried about her elderly mother.
Her roommate was very sick. They were isolated to her room, not allowed to go out in the hall or to the dining room or anywhere. Well, I found out today that her roommate has been taken out of there. So I'm assuming she has a virus.
All of those who died were admitted to the Evergreen Health Center, which is isolating new patients and taking extra measures to protect frontline workers.
We expect the number of cases will continue to increase in the coming days and weeks, and we're taking this situation extremely seriously.
Also, there's growing concern over person-to-person spread in the community.
Unfortunately, we are now starting to find more COVID-19 cases in Washington that appear to be acquired locally here in Washington. And we now know that the virus is actively spreading in some communities here in Washington.
On the streets, some are on edge.
So when we were at Costco yesterday, they didn't have any rice and they didn't have any flour.
This man is in the high-risk category, over 60, with a compromised immune system.
We don't go to events. We were going to go to a movie theater the other day and we canceled that because you have no control about who's around you and or the surfaces, and cleanliness, disinfecting, that's a really big deal.
Others are stockpiling supplies.
I just saw the news this morning, like more people got the virus.
With not enough spare hospital beds, the state's governor announced they're buying an entire motel to house people facing quarantine.
We have moved to a new stage in the fight to contain, mitigate, and manage this outbreak.
For officials, the balancing act here is to get people to take this seriously enough that they take precautions, but not so much that they panic. Greg Rasmussen, CBC News, Kirkland, Washington.